If you're looking for the best diaper rash cream, this has been our go-to. So as a mom, I will say I've been thoroughly impressed with this. It's actually the second jar I've gotten. We went through an entire jar. And I usually use this little like spatula style to put it on when I'm using it for my kids. But just so you can see, it really absorbs very, very easily, easy to spread, and it does the trick. So if you have a diaper rash on your child and you need to get them some really quick comfort, this really, really works. Also works great on just dry skin in general. So if you have dry, irritated skin, this will really give it a nice healing effect as well. I love that it's organic and has really easy to read ingredients in there. Made in the USA, hypoallergenic, non-toxic. This will be your go-to diaper rash cream too.